Have you ever wondered if a simple ingredient in your kitchen could help you look younger, feel better, and live longer? Did you know that the baking soda you use for cookies and cleaning has amazing health benefits? Yes, it's true. The same white powder you use to make cookies and clean your kitchen with can actually do more than you think. Not only can baking soda help with an upset stomach, but it might also have even more extraordinary benefits. Today, we're going to explore these surprising health secrets backed by science and real-life stories. However, before you start incorporating baking soda into your daily routine, there are a few important things you should be aware of. While baking soda has numerous advantages, there are also some risks, especially if used daily without proper guidance. Our aim is to provide you with accurate information and insights to help you fully comprehend the remarkable benefits of baking soda. Keep in mind that this video is solely for educational purposes and should not be considered a substitute for professional medical advice. Number 1. Improves kidney health. Baking soda helps maintain the pH balance in your body, which is particularly beneficial for those with chronic kidney disease. A 2023 study in nephrology dialysis transplantation showed that baking soda can slow the progression of kidney disease by managing acidity levels. The kidneys play a crucial role in regulating the body's acid-base balance. In individuals with chronic kidney disease, the kidney's ability to remove acid from the body is impaired, leading to metabolic acidosis. Baking soda can help counteract this condition by neutralizing excess acid, reducing the burden on the kidneys. This can slow the progression of chronic kidney disease and improve overall kidney function. Number 2. Improves digestive function. Baking soda is a well-known antacid, effective for indigestion and upset stomach. It works by neutralizing stomach acid, providing relief from discomfort. A study published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine in 2007 supports its use for digestive issues. To use, dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it. Digestive discomfort can be caused by various factors, including overeating, spicy foods, and stress. Baking soda offers a quick and natural remedy by balancing the stomach's pH levels. This can help alleviate symptoms like bloating, gas, and nausea. However, it's important to use this remedy occasionally rather than daily, as overuse can disrupt the body's natural acid-base balance and lead to other health issues. Number 3. Improves oral health. Baking soda's mild abrasive properties make it excellent for oral hygiene. It can help remove plaque, whiten teeth, and freshen breath. In fact, it's a common ingredient in many toothpaste brands. A 2019 study in the International Journal of Dental Hygiene confirmed its effectiveness in promoting dental health. To use, sprinkle a small amount on a wet toothbrush or create a mouth rinse with water. Plaque buildup can lead to tooth decay and gum disease if not properly managed. Baking soda's gentle abrasive action helps remove plaque without damaging the enamel. Its alkaline nature also neutralizes acids produced by bacteria, reducing the risk of cavities and gum inflammation. For a natural mouth rinse, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and swish it around in your mouth. This simple routine can significantly improve your oral hygiene and leave your mouth feeling fresh and clean. Number 4. Exercise enhancer. Did you know that baking soda can boost your exercise performance? It acts as a buffer for pH levels in your muscles, delaying fatigue during high-intensity activities. A 2023 study in the European Journal of Applied Physiology found that taking 0.2 to 0.3 grams of baking soda per kilogram of body weight before exercise can enhance performance. It's a natural way to push your limits and achieve better results. During intense exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, which can lead to fatigue and decreased performance. Baking soda helps buffer this acid, allowing you to work out longer and harder. Athletes often use this technique, known as sodium bicarbonate loading, to improve endurance and delay muscle fatigue. Number 5. Prevents skin infections. Baking soda's antimicrobial properties make it a valuable ally against skin infections. It can inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi, helping to prevent infections. A 2013 study in micropathology highlighted its effectiveness in combating microbial growth. You can apply a baking soda paste directly to the skin or add it to your bath water. Skin infections, such as athlete's foot and fungal nail infections, can be uncomfortable and persistent. Baking soda's alkaline environment inhibits the growth of pathogens, providing relief from itching and irritation. To make a paste, mix baking soda with a small amount of water and apply it to the affected area. Alternatively, add a cup of baking soda to your bath water to soothe and cleanse your skin. Number 6. Relief from gout and joint pain. Gout and joint pain can be debilitating, but baking soda can offer relief by increasing the pH of your body, which helps to excrete uric acid. A study in nephrology dialysis transplantation in 2023 demonstrated its potential in managing uric acid levels. To use, dissolve half a teaspoon in water and drink it multiple times a day. Gout is a form of arthritis characterized by sudden, severe attacks of pain, swelling, and redness in the joints, caused by excess uric acid in the blood. Baking soda helps neutralize this acid, facilitating its excretion through urine. This can reduce the frequency and severity of gout attacks. Number 7. Reduces urinary tract infections. Baking soda can help reduce the incidence of UTIs by alkalizing the urine, making it less hospitable for bacteria. A 2018 study in the International Urogynecology Journal found that baking soda can be an effective natural remedy. To use, dissolve half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it daily. Urinary tract infections are often caused by bacteria thriving in an acidic environment. By alkalizing the urine, baking soda can help create conditions that are less favorable for bacteria growth. This simple remedy can provide relief from UTI symptoms and help prevent recurrent infections. Number 8. Heartburn relief. If you've ever experienced the discomfort of heartburn, you know how unpleasant it can be. Baking soda, with its base nature, neutralizes stomach acid, providing quick relief. Simply dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. According to a study published in the Journal of Basic and Applied Sciences, sodium bicarbonate effectively reduces stomach acidity, making it a reliable remedy for heartburn. Heartburn, a common condition characterized by a burning sensation in the chest, occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. This can be particularly bothersome after eating certain foods or lying down. Baking soda's alkaline properties help neutralize this acid, providing almost instant relief. It's a quick, accessible solution that you can try at home. However, it's important to use this remedy sparingly, as overuse can lead to alkalosis, a condition characterized by an excessively high pH in the body. Number 9. Deodorizing. Baking soda is an excellent natural deodorizer. It neutralizes odors by breaking down volatile compounds. A 2022 study in the Journal of Achievements in Materials and Manufacturing Engineering confirmed its effectiveness in neutralizing unpleasant smells. Apply it to your underarms or sprinkle it in odor-prone areas for a fresh, clean scent. Body odor and household odors can be embarrassing and persistent. Baking soda's ability to neutralize odors makes it a versatile and effective solution. For personal use, you can apply a small amount of baking soda to your underarms to absorb sweat and neutralize odor. For household use, sprinkle baking soda in areas prone to odors, such as trash cans, refrigerators, and shoes. It's a safe, natural alternative to commercial deodorants and air fresheners. Number 10. Improves chemotherapy efficacy. Baking soda may enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy by altering the pH of tumors, making them more susceptible to treatment. A 2021 study in the Biological and Pharmaceutical Bulletin found that baking soda can help improve the efficacy of chemotherapy drugs. To use, Dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it daily during chemotherapy. However, this must be coordinated with your oncologist to avoid any potential interactions or complications. Cancer cells thrive in acidic environments, which can make them more resistant to treatment. Baking soda's ability to raise pH levels can create a less hospitable environment for these cells, potentially enhancing the effectiveness of chemotherapy. Number 11. Enhancing cognition. Baking soda may have a positive impact on cognitive function by alkalizing the blood. This benefit is particularly significant for individuals with conditions that affect cognitive health. A study in nephrology dialysis transplantation in 2021 suggested that maintaining a balanced pH can benefit cognitive processes. To use, dissolve 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in water and drink it daily. However, be cautious, as excessive use can lead to side effects. The brain's optimal function relies on a balanced pH level. Alkalizing the blood with baking soda might help enhance cognitive function, potentially benefiting memory, focus, and overall mental clarity. While this is a promising area of research, it's important to use baking soda judiciously and under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid any adverse effects. Number 12. Soothe canker sores. Canker sores can be painful and annoying, but baking soda can help soothe them by neutralizing acids in the mouth, promoting healing and reducing pain. To use, create a paste with baking soda and a small amount of water, and apply it directly to the sores. Alternatively, you can rinse your mouth with a solution of baking soda and water. Also known as aphthous ulcers, are small, painful lesions that can develop inside the mouth. They can be triggered by stress, minor injuries, acidic or spicy foods, or certain medical conditions. Baking soda's ability to neutralize acids can provide relief from the pain and discomfort associated with canker sores, speeding up the healing process. This simple home remedy can be an effective way to manage these painful lesions. Number 13. Relieves insect bites and stings. Insect bites and stings can cause significant discomfort and itching. Baking soda can provide relief by neutralizing the acids in insect venom, reducing itching and swelling. To use, make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the affected area. Insect bites and stings introduce foreign substances into the skin, which can cause an inflammatory response. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps neutralize these substances, providing relief from itching and swelling. This simple remedy can be especially helpful for managing mosquito bites, bee stings, and other minor insect-related irritations. And speaking of powerful natural remedies, have you ever wondered about the benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar at night? Join us in our next video as we uncover the surprising health benefits of this nighttime ritual. Also, if you found this video informative and engaging, please like and subscribe to NATURALdocTV for more health and wellness tips, including natural and homeopathic treatments. And don't forget to share any questions or comments you may have. We love hearing from you.